Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be answering frequently asked questions about workplace safety and PPE standards, what they are, why they matter, and how they protect workers every day. What is the most important PPE in an industrial setting? There's no single most important PPE, it depends on the job. For example, a welder's top PPE includes a helmet and gloves, while a lab technician's priority is chemical-resistant gear. How often should PPE be replaced? This varies by material and exposure. Helmets typically last 2 to 3 years, gloves and boots 6 to 12 months, and respirators as needed depending on contamination and filter use. What does OSHA recommend for PPE use? OSHA requires employers to assess workplace hazards, provide appropriate PPE, train employees, and ensure all equipment is properly maintained and replaced when defective. Why choose GZ Industrial Supplies for PPE and safety supplies? GZ offers certified, globally compliant products tailored for Nigeria's industrial and oilfield environments, backed by expert support and nationwide delivery. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.